Simplify A, the square root of 12, B, the square root of 56, and C, the square root of 128. Now what you need to do is take 12 and you need to split it into two factors, one of which must be a perfect square. So obviously 12 can be split into 3 times 4, perfect square. And then we've already sort of learned, if you want to do the square root of A times B, it's the same as doing the square root of A times the square root of B. So we can separate this up as being the square root of 3 times the square root of 4. Now the square root of 4 is 2, so we're going to get root 3 times 2, which we just write as 2 root 3. Now in time you probably don't need to write all those steps out. Square root of 56. Again, we need to split this into two factors, which one of which must be a perfect square. A bit of trial improvement will lead you to 14 times 4. Now that becomes the square root of 14 times the square root of 4. The square root of 4 is 2, so that's 14 times 2. Square root of 14 times 2, which is 2 root 14. Again, perhaps in time you don't need all these steps. Last one, square root of 128 is going to give you 2 times the square root of 64, which is going to give you 2 times the square root of 64. And the square root of 64 is 8, so it's going to give an answer of 8 root 2. Okay, so the important thing is that one of these numbers must be a perfect square, i.e. you can take the square root of it. Okay, this has been a video to show you how to simplify surds. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.